YouTube is in easy mode now. You can just sit anywhere and create your content. You don't necessarily have to be a videographer. You don't necessarily have to be a video editor. You don't necessarily have to do any of those things that are supposed to have been put in place to start your YouTube channel. So right now, YouTube is helping small content creators to grow their account faster. All you need to do is to get started already. Even when people seems not to watch your content, you want to keep it going.
Take note of
DoorDash. I've been hearing much about this lady. She's on YouTube, and you know, within few months she got monetized and she got her first pay. Her first pay is actually huge. But believe me and you, this lady doesn't just appear on YouTube. She has been here for past few years. So you know, she has been dropping contents for past few years. I want to share with you some different things she started putting in place to grow her YouTube channel faster. And this is why we said YouTube is on easy mode now. Anybody can come on YouTube, make it and grow faster. Hello, welcome here. I am Yinka Adebayo. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to our channel. Let me know in comment section you have subscribed. I'll come there to give you a welcome hug. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back. Let's move into this video proper. Easily, you can have your phone walking on the street, recording your video, sharing your opinion about what you believe, talking to people, communicating, sharing values here on YouTube without having to sit down again to start doing a lot of video editing just to make your video appealing enough. So the word appealing video or appealing editing has been removed from the YouTube algorithm a long time ago. So really, videos like this you're watching, this kind of content without aesthetic background, without too much of editing, is what is selling on YouTube space right now. So if you have been believing this is for you, you want to start your content creation, please get into it now. Do not wait. No time to waste. You can be on your street, walking around and doing your videos, shooting your shots, put it here on YouTube and get views. DoorDash have been creating content in a car for a long time. Like, all our content, I can literally say she has been appearing in that car, and so many content creators have been jumping into it and they see that really it works. People are now sitting outside of their house and creating content. I have seen people now walking around the bush, like going from a place to another, instead of instead of them really sitting down to create content, they are walking while talking talking to the camera. You know what that means? So you don't really need much. If you want to ship this in to your YouTube channel a long time ago and you believe YouTube is not good for you, that maybe YouTube will not support you, please get into it. People are doing it and it's selling off big time. I personally discovered I would be a content creator. I got my first child and I was like, oh God, how do I get to manage myself with content creation? Then I thought about it in my head that, see, this content creation, I am coming. If I say I am coming, I will do it. And I was like, what am I going to put in place? I told myself that I will literally start this content creation of a thing, and if there is a time that I got fed up, I don't really have time to sit like I am sitting now to create the content or get to be calm to speak, I said I will start recording just like lifestyle and sharing value at the same time. Is that too much? This has been on my head a very long time ago. I can be doing my skincare routine and sharing value on how you can grow your YouTube channel. This is the thing in my head, and really I am still grateful to God that I've been able to still manage my time and get to speak, sit down calmly and create some videos. So in case I don't have that time, I am jumping right into the DoorDash means of creating content right away, meaning I create content anywhere, anytime. So this is for you to understand that this is not the era whereby you have to be this pro editor. You have to know how to edit video, you have to know how to create content perfectly, how to put your camera so that you have the right proportion and angle. That doesn't really sell off again. What's selling now is create it anyhow. But just make sure you're sharing value. I believe with these few things I have put out to you, you have been able to understand that you don't really need to have fancy kind of video on YouTube to make your first 1,000 subscribers, 4K watchers, get views, get channel big or anything. You can grow from 0 to 50,000 subscribers within few moments of doing all these things I have told you. All you have to do is what? Share valuable content. But do not let anything hold you down in creating your content. Create it anyhow, any means, but make sure you are sharing what? Value. I hope this do well with you. Like this video, drop comments for me. Let me know what you have been doing before and what you're planning to do now. And of course, if you're new here, subscribe to this YouTube channel for more content like this, because I will still be creating valuable content that will help you with your channel like this. Let me know in the comment section that you've subscribed. I will come right there to give you a welcome hug. I have dropped some other tutorials in the description box that can help you with your content creation here on YouTube. Go ahead and watch those contents. If YouTube has not been recommending your videos and you want YouTube to start recommending your other videos for views, turn on those settings. This is the video you have to watch right there. If you want to know how to upload your videos correctly on YouTube, watch this video right here. I will definitely see you in the next one.